Hi guys, it's Josh. Today we're talking about bandwidth management in Cato. So what you can do with bandwidth management is you can prioritize applications, but you can also look at the subset of the traffic to try to troubleshoot file transfers, SMB traffic, RDP, video streaming. So you can look at just that traffic and see how it's traversing your infrastructure. It's a handy way to understand how your network is functioning with Cato management application and Cato transport. So let's get into it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go over to network on the top here, and we're gonna go to bandwidth management. All right, so in bandwidth management here, we are going to look at priority rules. So we're gonna start to understand, all right, what are the priority rules that I wanna be able to have to be able to apply to my network traffic? So you can build them in here. We have some predefined ones. So I already built one, but I'll kind of walk you through what that looks like. So you go new, and you can type the priority number you wanna do. And you have some options here. So you want to do a no limit just to like bucketize it. You want to limit that traffic. Maybe it's YouTube or something else. And then you can go and you can say apply. And then once that's applied, it's going to show here as a priority. Then I'm going to head over to network and network rules. So at the top here, network, I'm going to click on network rules. So you can see I'm going to build a network rule for that priority traffic I just built. I already have one built here, but I'm going to walk you through it. So here you go here. I'm going to say test rule. When I'm first testing it out, I'll probably put this at rule number 1, just so I can see like making sure it hits and look at it. What's the source? In this case, it's going to be anything in my environment. If you had particular sources you want to apply this to, guess Wi-Fi or something, you could do that. App category. So this is going to be like, in this case, I chose media streams, but this could be a port range, a service, an application category. So if you said, I want to do SMP traffic, or 445, I want to look at HTTP or SSL traffic, you can slice and dice the traffic how you want. So for instance, you could do application category. You could say like media streams, right? That's about it. Or you could go into like, hey, I want to do a port range or a domain, and you could just do just those ports if you want to. So lots of options here. And then under configuration, what you're going to do is you want to apply that priority we just built. I built P15, maybe you built a different one, and I'll show you what that looks like. And then you can say like, all right, how do you want that transport and the mitigation and other pieces to be configured? All right, cool. So then you hit apply, and then you hit save, and then you're on your way. All right, cool. So now, what do you do with that? We've applied the rule. So now what do we do? So now I'm going to go over to network, and I'm going to go to my sites. This is my main site that I want to analyze it. This will be on all sites if that's what you applied it to, which I did any source. And I'm going to click on priority analyzer here. And I'm going to go the last hour just so we have a little more relevant data. So here I built this P15 under bandwidth management. And then I went and I applied that as a network rule. And then if I open this up, you can see here's all my YouTube traffic and any traffic. And what's really powerful about this, here's my desktop. It's done about 115 megs. YouTube, StreamYard, here's all the other traffic associated with media stream that's moving back and forth. I could even look and see like what SMB traffic do I have moving back and forth, what other pieces. So it really allows you to slice and dice the data, apply prioritization as it moves across the infrastructure. And then in this case, maybe I would just want to troubleshoot certain types of traffic so I can see that moving back and forth and then start to understand what's happened to it, see any discards, any delays. So it's a great way to be able to manage and take a bucket out of that network traffic traversing your infrastructure. Thanks guys, hope this was helpful.